Hello friends. This is a small video presentation to display how to install the mobile application provided by our school and how to use it to our benefit. First thing will be to install the app. We we can go to the Play Store, type the name of the school. It will show in the list. We'll select the name and it will show with the name with the logo of the school. We will simply press it. It will open. It is showing open here because it is already installed in my mobile, otherwise it should show install. So you have to press that install button and it will automatically start installing itself, and in a minute or two it will be ready to use. So when it is installed, it will show, and if you press the icon, this landing page, this first page will open. You have to verify yourself by entering the mobile number registered with your school. It means you have to enter that mobile number which is already there in the school, so that the application can identify you. You will enter your mobile number. Now in my case it is 8840 765 844. Select the branch, it is GD Mother International School, and press send OTP button. So if the mobile number is correct, it will send you the OTP. Yeah, it is received and it is 41178. So I'll enter it here, 41178, and submit. So because both mobile number and OTP were correct, I could enter the application. As soon as I enter the application, it will ask me to mark my attendance for the day. It will keep showing this page until I mark myself either absent or present, but I have to mark it. Here it is showing I can press any of the buttons. I can mark myself present. So now I am present. Now I can leave this page, and this is the landing page actually. Once I have marked myself present or absent, this page will be the landing page for me whenever I enter my application. So this white space will show me the messages that have been sent by the school. Those messages can be messages to the entire class, or those messages can be individual message sent to me, and those messages can contain only text or text plus image, or any YouTube or Google Drive or Facebook link, or any link which once you click you will redirect to that particular page. So you can see there are two tabs, student panel and support, on the top of the page. So if you press support, you will get all the details where you can call uh, when it comes to any problem in this application. And this is the student panel. This panel is for a student, or we can say this panel is for parents. Here the first tab is profile. Once I click the profile tab, I can view the mobile number I am registered with, the registration number. If I suppose I have 2 or 3 students studying in the school and they all have the same mobile number, all of them will show there here. And if they do not show, you have to press this button, press to add. So once you press this button, press to add button, all the students having your mobile number will show here. So you do not need to install multiple application for different students. So all the students with will show here. Press to add, because there is no other student with this same mobile number. It is still shows 8638 only. Now I can also view the full profile of the student, name and class he is reading in and everything else. And if I have also uploaded a photograph, it will show here. And then this is the attendance tab. I can see I had marked myself present today, so it is showing in green. So every day I mark myself present, it will show in green, and if I am marked absent, it will show in red. And if there is no mark, it means attendance has not been marked for that particular day. This attendance calendar also works as a calendar for the school. If some particular day is marked as a holiday or marked as a celebration, it will show in the respective color here. This is the school diary. Here the school will give their feedback about your student uh, under different categories, like under homework, discipline, response in class, and so many other things. So they can create a category and they can give feedback, and you can, as a guardian, you can view it here on daily basis. Like you can see, if you wish to check whether your guy, whether your ward has done his homework on 23rd or not, so you can press 23 from 23 to 23 and homework, and then view. So because this is a new application, no data has been entered, it is showing nothing. Otherwise it will show whether if your ward has not done his homework in mathematics, it will show here mathematics homework not done in mathematics, homework not done in Hindi, and so on. And the same goes for any other report that school uploads, like your ward has done something and it has been marked by the school as inappropriate in disciplinary action, then it will show here under discipline category. So this is like a school diary. Homework, you can check the homework of your ward here. It will show here in below the name Siddhant Kumar. So because there is no homework, it is not showing. And you can also view homework of other classes by clicking here, and whatever class you can see homework of all the classes. Timetable, if the school has uploaded timetable class wise, you can see it here. And result, if the result has been published, you can see it here. There is one result already published, view term result. You can click that button and you can view the result of your ward. Holidays, if the holidays have been marked or entered, it will show here. Website, you can visit the website of your school by clicking this button. It will straight away open in next tab. So for going back, press back and you're back. Update records, this is one tab which, if school allows, you can update your record. Like you can update your email ID, your phone number, your photograph, contact details, basically on by yourself. So though it will be first verified by the school and then it will apply, but yes, you can do it from here yourself. Write to school, you can uh, write if you have some query, or if you have some doubts, or if you have some complaint to make, you can write it here and submit, and the school in due course of time will reply. About us will show you the same details about the school. So this is an app for the benefit of the parents and the children, and this app's primary purpose is to work as a bridge between the school and the parent. uh, I have been receiving feedbacks and suggestions on Play Store about my application. So we keep working on that continuously and try to implement that as much as possible and as soon as possible. So uh, thanks a lot, and please use this mobile application and keep posting suggestion in Play Store. Thanks a lot.